Hello, I'm Dr. Sudipti Arora, and it's my privilege and honor to invite you all to the International Conference on Reproductive Biomedicine in the heart of Rajasthan, the beautiful pink city, Jaipur. This prestigious event is proudly hosted by Dr. Lal Institute of Biotechnology, Jaipur. ISSRF 2025 is more than just a conference. It's a platform where leading scientists, clinicians, researchers and innovators come together to integrate basic and advanced researches into clinical practices for human welfare. From reproductive health advancements to groundbreaking innovation, this conference will inspire action and collaboration. Set in Jaipur, the pink city, which brings majestic architecture and warm hospitality, known for its best weather in February, this conference will offer a blend of experience, innovation, networking opportunities, and a lot more for all the budding young innovators, research scientists, clinicians, and everyone who is seeking research in the area of reproductive biomedicine. Join us at Rajasthan International Center from 14th to 16th February 2025 for experiencing a lot of workshops, panel discussion, networking sessions, oral and poster sessions, and brainstorming ideas on the area of reproductive biomedicine. Visit our official website to register and learn more. Thank you.